Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF file using Canva. Canva isn't just for visuals. It also lets you edit PDF files. Let's go through the steps to do that easily. First, go to the Canva website and log into your account. On the right hand, click the Upload Media button. Choose your PDF file from your computer and click Open. Wait for the upload to finish. Once uploaded, your PDF will appear in the Upload section. Click on the file, and Canva will open it in a new project where each page becomes fully editable. You can double-click any text to change the content, font, or color. To delete an image, click on it and press the Delete key. You can also add new elements like text, images. Now let's make some changes. For example, we'll update the title on the first page. Just click on the title text, edit it as needed, and make any other changes you want. Once you're done, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then choose Download. Select PDF Standard as the file type and click Download. Open the downloaded file to check your edits. That's it, it's so simple and easy. Thanks for watching.